Hello, everyone. And my name is Gene, and I just wanted to share with you something that's just really been absolutely miraculous for me, um, and it's the LifeWave patch. Um, I am a very skeptical person. Anyone that knows me knows that I say BS to everything until it's absolutely proven to me. I have a science background. I'm a graduate engineer, and you've got to prove it to me beyond a doubt. So when I first heard about the patches that Diane, my wife, had been using and claiming remarkable results, I said, yeah, 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 and just was very, very, very doubtful of any results. But being that I'm married and that I have been married a long time, and that's because I do what my wife says, I started using the patches. And I used them about prior, maybe 6, 8 months prior to a full knee surgery. And I want to tell you, I'm 86 years old, and everyone says these surgeries are really bad. And just Google up what the prognosis is for healing on a full knee surgery, let alone someone that's 86 years old. Well, anyway, I did the surgery, and it was absolutely a joke. Within 2 days, I was walking to the restroom myself without a walker. And within a week, I was upstairs. We went out to dinner, and very little discomfort. It's sore, and that's really all I was experiencing. And within weeks, I was absolutely, basically, 80, 90% healed. The doctor, who's a top orthopedic surgeon at Hoag, is blown away. And they sent a therapist by, and he gave up after a week. Uh, Things like they look at is like range of motion, uh, how much you can bend your knee back. And if you do 90 degrees, they think that's great. Well, I was doing like 130 degrees. I could bend it all the way back. I could squats. And within, a couple of months, I didn't even know I had the surgery, let alone the scar healed up to where it's almost just a pencil line. So, what can I say? You can't argue with the results. Um, and then beyond that, I also noticed again at my age, which prior I was, you'd kind of be a little sore, your back and ankle. I noticed that I wasn't getting that anymore. That I was get up in the morning and be very spry. And I mean, this sounds like a testimonial, and I'm not giving a testimonial. I'm just telling a story from a person that's a very, very, very negative, doubting person. And I just want to share it because not only has it worked for me and worked for my wife, I've seen it work for a number of other people doing really miraculous things. So the science is sound. It's not snake oil. It's sound. Um, um, Photo, bio modulation. It works. It's reflecting back into your body and triggering the things that tells your body to start repairing. In this case, with the X39, which is the one that I use the most, um, it works on your stem cells, regenerating stem cells. Um, there are other patches that I'm beginning to use, and the results from them are great. There's a patch Alavita that you put behind your right ear when you go to sleep, and man, I'm telling you, you're out. I sleep fairly well anyway, but this thing just puts you into a deep sleep with really good dreams. I don't. I'm not. I'm not pushing that. It's just the way it works on me. But this technology is something, and it's growing just throughout the world. It's unbelievable what it's doing. So I'm just sharing this. If I didn't believe in it, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be caught dead doing this. I never do this. I never push anything to my friends in the form of medicine or, because I don't have to use any medicines. In closing, I don't want to, run this too far. I offer this for those of you that are suffering with uh, lingering afflictions, and those who really need fast healing, going into a surgery or have a persistent uh, condition. Uh, just try it. What have you got to lose? Try it. So anyway, with that in closing, God bless you, and to good health. Live long and prosper. Thank you.